Where's my mind? Maybe it's in the gutter where I left my lover. What in this house did I find? My V is for